Hey everyone, today is a little tutorial video on how to integrate your Shopify store. We're going to take you through how you can connect your store and pull in your products and orders straight from Shopify into your ClickShip account. So first things first, what you're going to do is once you have created your ClickShip account, you're going to want to go to where it says Marketplaces on the left hand side. You're going to click on the tab, and then you'll see where it says Add New Marketplaces. You'll click on the green bar again. You'll see the option of Shopify. From there, it'll ask you for your Shopify store name and Shopify store URL, which can be found within your Shopify account. So I'm just going to use one of my test stores here and integrate that, and I'll show you how it's done. So you'll grab your Shopify store URL, you'll just copy and paste it, or you can click on that. You'll go back to the ClickShip account. So this part is very important. The store URL has to match your Shopify store. The store name can be whatever I want. For now, we'll just put sporting goods. And then you'll click on where it says connect to store. Important feature to note, please turn off your pop-up blockers. That can be done within your browser settings, because basically what's going to happen now is going to ask you to connect into your Shopify store. Since I've already done that, I'm just going to click on my store here and I'll import my orders and products. So when you click back into Shopify, it's going to say you are about to install ClickShip. So you're going to go ahead and install it. Perfect. So it'll say success. You've integrated your store. Currently, we're importing your products and orders. We'll send you an email when your marketplace integration has been completed. So yes, ClickShip will send you an email once it's been done. It will notify you right away. Also, you can just kind of wait on it here. It'll show that it's importing your orders and products. Once that has been imported successfully, you can go to your orders page and your products page, where you'll now see your orders and products. Again, this may take some time, maybe 1 to 2 seconds per product, depending on how many products you have. I don't have too many products here, so you can see quickly it imported. So you can see I have my pens, my toy train. So these are my products here, where you can add in dimensions and weight, and also you'll see my orders. So I have one unfulfilled order. Well, thanks for watching the video, guys. This is how you can quickly integrate your Shopify store. If you have any further questions, please reach out to us. You can email customercare@clickship.com or give us a call at 1-877-335-8740.